Hiya Neil, this is Neris, your favourite sister-in-law, sending you huge congratulations on your 50 miler on your 50th year for the Welsh Rugby Union Charitable Trust. Only you could have thought up that one. Well, here I am on my third day of the challenge in Patagonia, and this was our reward at the end of the evening. It's pretty amazing. So have a great night, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.
Iawn, Neil Cole! Sean Aron!
Jason Steer, Brandon Tavy,
Esther!
Dyffog! Da iawn chdi, Coley. Da ni'n parchu ti yn fawr iawn. Gyfarchion o Sydney. Hwyl!
Coach Cole, howdy.
G'day, mate.
Or Sydney. I'm here with Alan Guns, formerly known as Alan Gas. What's he been doing?
Coley?
Yeah.
Well, apparently he's turned 50. And he's done 50 miles 50 times.
So we're doing a bit. Oh,
And he's been boring everyone with his pictures on Facebook for the last bloody year, basically.
is that why John Paul had some Club Rugby socks on a bike?
Yeah, that's the one. And Biden as well has been shaving his legs.
Wow.
So he wears his head.
Standard. Does that anyway.
So, you know, he's doing well.
So we're doing this video to celebrate the success of being 50 and cycling 50 miles a
I thought he
week.
turned 50 back in 12-4, to be honest.
Yeah. Must be about 75 now.
Anyway,
maybe it's
Coley.
TV age.
Mate, Bob luck, mate.
Say out, an
Doing a
amazing
great job.
effort, but seriously.
And yeah, look forward to seeing you soon, mate.
Hiya Neil. I bet you didn't expect to see me tonight, did you? Been knitting away here. I'm really proud of what you've done. And I've got up some mornings, switched on the machine and seen you gone in the dark and the cold and the wind and the rain. So I'm really glad you finished your challenge. Proud of you and proud to call you my hero. Caerdydd chdi.
Good job, Neil!
Hey, next challenge this summer, barbecue grill off with me.